How is protection of civilians implemented in peacekeeping missions? In recent news, the protection of civilians during armed conflicts has gained significant attention. As conflicts continue to escalate in various regions, many are asking how peacekeeping missions can effectively safeguard non-combatants. This topic is particularly relevant as the world witnesses ongoing humanitarian crises and the need for robust international responses. Peacekeeping missions are essential in implementing civilian protection, grounded in international humanitarian law principles. These principles include the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, which mandate minimizing harm to civilians. One primary strategy involves establishing protection zones. These designated safe areas aim to shelter civilians from violence. International forces monitor these zones, ensuring safer access to humanitarian aid. However, challenges persist, such as local ceasefires collapsing and warring parties exploiting civilian concentrations. Another approach is supporting local peace agreements. Peacekeepers facilitate dialogue, helping communities negotiate solutions to specific conflicts. These agreements often address issues like cattle raids and revenge attacks. The success of these initiatives relies heavily on local ownership and commitment, with support from national authorities when needed. The United Nations mission in South Sudan emphasizes the importance of community-led solutions. Ceasefire monitoring is also a critical aspect of civilian protection. Peacekeeping forces work to prevent violations of ceasefire agreements, providing neutral mediation and encouraging dialogue among conflicting parties. While ceasefires can reduce violence, they sometimes lead to displacement, reflecting the complex dynamics of armed conflicts. The physical presence of peacekeepers acts as a deterrent against attacks on civilians. Joint patrols and security operations maintain order and protect vulnerable populations. Training local security forces is also part of peacekeeping mandates, ensuring sustainable protection. Additionally, peacekeeping missions coordinate closely with humanitarian organizations. This collaboration ensures the delivery of essential supplies and services to civilians in conflict zones. By addressing immediate needs, they help reduce civilian suffering during armed conflict. In summary, the protection of civilians in peacekeeping missions involves a combination of safe zones, local peacebuilding, ceasefire enforcement, security presence, and humanitarian coordination. These efforts are framed by legal obligations to safeguard non-combatants during war. However, the effectiveness of these measures depends on cooperation from conflict parties and the commitment of international actors to sustained engagement.